Right, thanks for joining. My name's Doug. This is Doug's Open Road Classic. So today I'm at the Little Easton car meet just inside Dunmow. I've seen some absolutely amazing cars here. One of which is this Mk2 Escort, which belongs to Steve. I've seen this car and admired it at the Cozy Cup meet in Billericay. The car's got a really, really interesting story and is a testament to the work Steve's done to it. So if you don't mind, Steve, you could just tell us a little bit about what you've done to the car since you've had it.
Yeah, no problem, Doug. Basically, I bought this Mk2 Escort off a friend of mine probably about 7 or 8 years ago. And it was a popular, and it was pretty rotten. I basically stripped it down to the bare shell. I put a 2-litre Pinto engine in the car. It's got a 5-speed Type 9 gearbox. It's got an Atlas axle, again put in by myself. I've replaced everything from the wings, the front panels, the floor pans, tubbed it, turreted it. I put the new rear section on the back of it. I put the roll cage, bucket seats. As I say, tubbed and turreted it, and I always wanted a Group 4 Escort rally replica.
I can understand that.
And I've got it. Even from when I was a teenager, watching these things being driven around on the rally tracks and stuff, always wanted one. Opportunity arose, bought the car for a friend of mine, and thanks to eBay and Google, I've managed to produce this.
Amazing work, amazing.
So thank you very much.
Thank you so much for that. Right, I'm going to do a
No
walk
problem.
around of the car, inside and outside the car. So I've already looked at this car at a couple of meets and just keep on coming back and back to it. Right, thanks to Steve for giving us a rundown on the car. This is just an absolutely amazing bit of kit. He has done an absolutely tremendous job here, and the car sounds absolutely incredible.